2002 Ford Explorer Sport Trac, four-wheel drive, 86,000 miles, alloy wheels, running boards, tonneau cover. This is the four-wheel drive. Not a door ding, rock chip, or scratch on the vehicle. There's the tonneau cover. The rear glass is power, and I'll show you that in a second. Bed liner with the bed extender still in place. Alloy wheels. Tires are in great shape. Running boards. Vehicle needs nothing cosmetically or mechanically. Fog lights work. We have the code for the door lock. Cloth seats. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Cruise control. Four by four. Fog lights. There's the rear power window that never works in these vehicles, so ours works. AM, FM, CD, original floor mats. Rear seats have never been sat in, according to the original owner. (2002) Ford Explorer Sport Trac, 4x4, 86,000 original miles in like new condition.